Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? It's Halloween Drawings, and we're going to be drawing every single day. It's a drawing tutorial every single day. Today we're going to go over and draw a cute ghost holding a balloon. It's pretty simple. I'm probably going to use one or two, well, probably one colored pencil and this marker. So don't forget to join the email list. You're going to get announcements for, like throughout after Halloween's over. But I hope you have a great day, and let's get started. Pull down. Hood of the ghost. Bottom portion of the ghost. I'm gonna have a little hand sticking out here. If you want, you can throw the other hand on his side, like he's just there. Circle, circle. I'm gonna leave a little bit of the white inside for the highlight. Straight line for him, just kind of amused. Line of the balloon. Balloon knot, it's gonna be a little square. And then he has a balloon. Now I'm going to take the colored pencil here, and I'm going to just flatly color in the balloon red, because it's a very typical color of like a balloon. Anywhere it stands out, it's a very obvious color. Usually like red or blue. And the knot here. And that's pretty much it. If you really want, you can give him like rosy cheeks. But thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. If you did like that, if that was simple, easy to follow, please click that like button and then share the video, because that's amazing as well. And I'll see you guys the next time. Go to the first comment that I make, and I'm going to put a link to an ebook that I give out. So it's a free ebook on how to shade. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you soon.